Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. 9th class students, now here we are going to start our textual exercises of chapter number 2, Shah Abdul Latif. As you were told about copy work in your first chapter, so you know very well how to attempt all exercises, and simply you will follow same previous pattern as you have done in chapter number 1 regarding words meaning, sentences, MCQs and other composition, etc. So now we are moving towards our exercises. Our exercises comprises of pages from page number 11 to page number 14. Now you see here page number 11 you have words meaning, word sentences, then comprehension. Then move to page number 12. Here you have composition and 2 questions in composition. Then you come to page number 13. Here you have again word sentences. Then blanks. You have blanks continue to page number 14. And after blanks you have cross out the wrong words. And then last question is of punctuation. Now these all are the exercises. Now we are moving towards the solution of all these exercises. Now you see on page number 11 you have 9 words for meaning. These words are ancestrals, migrated, sensitive, normal, attracted, buried, dignity, shrine and dome. Now we have meanings. Meanings of these words are almost all words have 2 meanings, and students you will attempt words meaning same 2 column pattern. So the first word meaning is forefather, precursor, second relocate, movement, third soulful, emotional, fourth natural, ordinary, fifth charm, mesmerize, sixth concealed, underground, seventh respect, virtue, eighth memorial, sacred place, ninth rounded, roof and top. F words meaning. Now in question number 2 we have to make sentences of your own using the following words: message, example, religion, famous, invented. So here we have sentences of message. I received a message of my friend. Example, his noble example was followed by many of his followers. Students, his is used here for our holy prophet, peace be upon him. Then for religion, Islam is the religion of peace. Famous, Karachi is the famous city of Pakistan. Invented, Shah Abdul Latif has invented Tamburo. You can make your own sentences also. Likewise, you have also chosen your own meanings for the given words. Now move to comprehension side. Here we have 3 comprehension questions. In number 1, where is Bhidsha? So the right answer is, it is at a distance of 55 kilometers from Hyderabad. Number A. Question number 2, what changes did Shah Abdul Latif make in the music of those days? So right answer is B. Then in question number 3, why did Shah Abdul Latif love the lake which is near the mount? So the right answer is number B. He loved the peace and quiet of the scene. Now we are on page number 12. We have composition. Question number 1. Say in 5 sentences what you know about the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif. Now students, the paragraph is before you on the screen. Shah Abdul Latif was not only a saint but also a great poet. Beauty of nature aroused his feelings strongly. While he was a boy, he started poetry. Anyone who came to him was strongly impressed by his gentle ways, and his followers increased day by day. He was the poet of the people. He used the language of the farmers and laborers. His collection of poetry is called Shahjur Salu and is translated into many languages. He wrote poetry in the language of common man. The great quality of his poetry is moving music. The message of his poetry is the message of love, brotherhood, and equality of men. These sentences are more than five sentences, so you can choose your own favorite sentences, more convincing sentences if you like. Then in question number 2, write 5 sentences about Bhit Shah if you have seen it. Okay, the answer is the shrine of Shah Abdul Latif is at Bhit Shah. Bhit Shah is situated at a distance of 55 kilometers from Hyderabad. The shrine has been rebuilt and connected with the main road. Its beautiful white dome can be seen at a distance of many kilometers. Recently, a library, a rest house, and museum have been built. The Latif's Urs is held at Bhit Shah every year on 14 Safar. Students, I have told you about short note pattern in my previous video, that if your question is about short notes, so you have to write minimum 7 to 8 or maximum 9 or 10 lines, okay? But here the question is actually about 5 sentences, so you can choose your own favorite 5 sentences, what you think the most important. Now we are moving towards page number 13. Here we have question number 1. Frame 5 sentences using many with the following nouns: books, shops, pencils, boys, houses. Simple words. Now you see on the screen, I have many books, there are many shops, I bought many pencils, many boys are playing football, in our village there are many houses. In this way you will attempt this exercise. You can make your own sentences. Then in question number 2, complete the following sentences choosing suitable words from the given list. Options are given: of, lived with, many, at, every, by. In number A, what is the name of this town? B, he lived with his brother. C, she came with her father. D, every boy must finish this sum. Now the exercise continues to page number 14. Number E, he has many books on his table. F, I saw him standing at the shop. G, the name of this town is Seven. H, he writes with a black pen. Then I was with her all the time. J, you have been late many times. K, stand by the door till I call you. L, every day she went to the park. Now after this exercise we have number 3, cross out the wrong words. Yes, number 1, he stays at home in the evening. At is the correct answer. The girl must learn cooking. Third, there are many books on my table. Fourth, the boy ran to the school as he was late. Fifth, he went to the park with his father. Sixth, what is the color of your coat? Now here the exercise is finished. Now we have punctuation exercise. In number 1, we have 4 sentences to punctuate. Supply full stop, comma, question mark and the sign of exclamation wherever necessary. Yes, number 1 sentence. He bought ink, comma, pen, comma, pencil and a rubber from the shop. Students, you must know the use of comma when there are options, choices, so we put comma in between. And the last option we always put and. Like this sentence, he bought ink, comma, pen, comma, pencil and a rubber from the shop. Second, where do you live? Question mark. Third, cows, comma, horses, comma, bullocks and donkeys are all domestic animals. Full stop. Fourth, what a beautiful bird! Exclamation mark. Come to second part, second question of this punctuation segment. They all went in and closed all the doors and windows. Full stop. Soon the strong wind brought the dust along, comma, but very little got into the house. Full stop. Okay, students, now all these altogether 10 exercises are finished in this way, and you will attempt all these exercises in separate page. So now we are moving towards our next chapter, and in my next video I will explain new chapter, chapter number 3, the neem tree, which is a poem. Next video for the explanation. Till then, Allah Hafiz and thank you very much.